What is going on, my fellow fur freaks? This is your friend King Julian. Today we did another very special video. I'm so excited to be back in the saddle of my beautiful RS660, admired by these good people. Hello. That's cool. Anyway, what I'm here to report today. First of all, I want to inform you that I'm still alive. I know it's been quite some time since my last video. I'll get into detail of that maybe later, but for now I'll just tell you a lot of things happened. My mom almost died, but she survived. I had to quit my job, but I found a better one. So it was kind of a roller coaster ride. Bad, great, ups and downs. But it all ended on a very positive note. We're all well, alive, and I want to invite you to spend this day with me. So first I need to go home and I need to take care of some work, but that won't be a problem at all because look what I'm looking forward to. No job is bad as long as you have something to look forward to afterwards. Anyway, I promise I would tell you more about my situation last year. Well, yeah, as I said, my mom almost died. I don't really want to go into much detail of that event. I had to deal with it, and I did, and it turned out well. So thankfully she's fine. She's fine now, and I don't even know what to say. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy she made it, because I don't know, it was terrible. It makes you kind of think about your life in general, and it inspires you in a way to make some adjustments, and it definitely inspired me to quit my job. It made me really think a lot about my life, what it leads to, and whether I am in the right place. And the answer was a firm no. I was just earning money, and now I'm not, and I feel better about myself. No, it's true. I quit a job. I became a boxing coach at my local gym, so this is it. At the same time, I have some projects going on that I believe have huge potential, but I don't want to disclose any of that because it's none of your fucking business. Never bet all your money on one horse. This mindset will always leave you with options. And when you have a significant event in your life that is significantly fucked up and you have no energy to continue your boring corporate pseudo career, then I can call it quits. Take a cold plunge. Yeah. Anyway, I told you about the two things last year that caused a fair amount of stress, but eventually led to something very good. What are you doing? Blinker. There was one more thing that happened last year, and a lot of the second half of last year revolved just around that, and I gave you a little hint at the beginning of the video. Maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't. I won't tell you what happened, but it was definitely a positive one. I'll let you guess. But the message is, last year was definitely quite challenging. I wanted to make videos, but at the same time my heart just wasn't in it. When I do something creative like this, I need to be all in. I need to be fully invested in it. I need to have the right motivation. Didn't have that last year. I didn't want to use this platform to cry about things. Anyway, what can you expect from me this season? Well, definitely more content. I have the NT1100 review done and ready to be released, and other than that I have plenty of material, hello my friend, that I need to edit, process and release. I'll just continuously work on that, I guess, and in the meantime I'll be writing, I'll be doing the daily vlog. I want to come back to this. I missed you guys so freaking much. So it's gonna be a good season, I hope. I hope nobody gets injured or anything. I hope nothing serious happens and I can really focus on the things that I love. So thank you very much for your attention. Please take good care of yourselves and your loved ones. That's the most important thing. And other than that, ride safe, be safe, stay safe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.